Installing the Steam Deck can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the installation process step by step. Step 1. Prepare your Steam Deck. Ensure your Steam Deck is fully charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. This will help avoid interruptions during the installation process. Step 2. Access the desktop mode. Press the Steam button, navigate to the power menu and select Switch to Desktop. This will allow you to access the desktop interface where you can install necessary software. Step 3. Download the required software. Open a web browser and download the Steam client or any other software you need for your gaming experience. Make sure to download the latest version to ensure compatibility. Step 4. Install the software. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 5. Configure your settings. Once the installation is complete, launch the Steam client and log into your account. Adjust your settings according to your preferences, including graphics and controller configurations. Now that you have completed the installation, you can start enjoying your gaming experience on the Steam Deck. Happy gaming!